Hello everyone, I am Karthik Reddy, URK 19CS1057. Today we are going to see about exercise number 9, procedures and functions in database systems lab. The aim is to perform queries on procedural and functions and get the desired output. A description: a function is same as a procedure except that it returns a value. Therefore, all the discussions of the previous chapter are true for functions too. Questions: we have to create the following table with the table name, course, fees paid, inquiry, enrollment, and enrollment. I have created the four tables with the table name, course, and fees paid, inquiry, and enrollment. And I have inserted these inserted the values in their particular tables. The question now let's see the questions. Write a SQL statement to fetch the salary of employee Anil and calculate the grade according to its value. Condition: if the salary is less than 1000, print the grade A. If the salary is less than 2000, print the grade B. If the salary is less than 3000, print the grade as C. If the salary is less than 3000, print the grade as D. For that, the code is declare a number 10, begin, select salary into from EMP company where employee name is Anil. If the salary let the salary amount is A, if the salary A is less than 1000, then print grade A. Else if A is less than 2000, print grade B. Else if A is less than 3000, print grade C. Else if A is less than 4000, then print grade D. Question number 2. Write a procedure to calculate course name corresponding to the course code. And this is the code the procedure had created. Question 3. Display course name by considering the exception. If the given course code is not found, then raise an exception that course name is not available. And this is the code: create or replace procedure course num in number name out varchar is begin, select course name into name from course table where course code is num, dbms output dot put line course name exception when no data found, then raise an application error dash 401 error. Procedure created and declare AB varchar 30, begin course 30 comma AB, end. Here we can see in the question, if the given course node is not found, then raise an exception that course name is not available. Here we got an error since the given course code is not found. It raised an error. Now question number 4. Write a function to calculate total amount collected. For the fourth question, the code is create or replace function cals return number is a number 10 equal to 0, begin, select sum of amount into a from fees paid table, return A, end. Function created. This is the logic part. The total amount collected is 80,000. Question 5. Display the number of queries for a specified advertisement code. This is the code and this is the logic. The total number of queries are 110011 for a specified advertisement code. Question number 6. Write a function to calculate the total fees paid by a particular student. The code is create or replace function fees AB number Return number is a number 10 equal to 0. Begin. Select amount into a from fees paid table where roll number equal to AB. Return A. End. The function created. The logic part declare C number 10. Begin. C equal to fees. The registration fees of the student with registration number 10001. Next DBMS output line. Total fees paid. End. The total fees paid is 20,000. So we have seen all the 6 questions. I have explained all 6 questions in procedures and functions. Thank you.